Welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll continue our series part 8 of the video. So without wasting any time, straightly move to the first question. Cranial nerves are? The answer is option number C, mixed type. They are mixed type because they carry both sensory and motor fibers. So what is a sensory nerve and what is a motor nerve? Sensory nerves carry signal from the outer part of the body into the central nervous system, and motor nerves carry signals from the central nervous system to the outer part of the body. For example, muscles, skin and glands. And we know that there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Silk is produced by? The answer is option number C, larva of silkworm. The drone in honeybee are? The answer is option number A, fertile male. So there are 3 types of honeybees within a hive: the queen, the workers and the drones. A queen bee is the only female bee in the hive that gets to reproduce. Worker bees all are female and they are offsprings of the queen or children of the queen. Then there are males in the hive called as drones. Drones fly off to reproduce with younger queens who will start a new colony. So drones are fertile male. Which of the following are consumer semi-durable goods? The answer is option number C, food grains and other food products. So goods are classified into 3 categories: non-durable goods, durable goods and semi-durable goods. Non-durable goods are any goods which are consumed in one use or used over a short period of time. For example, food or clothing or detergent. The goods that are not consumed within a short period of time and it is utilized over a long period of time, considered to be about 3 years, they are called as durable goods. For example, cars, home appliances or real estate. And semi-durable goods falls under the category between the durable goods and the non-durable goods, and because they last longer than 1 year but not as durable goods. For example, preserved eatables. Collective consumption means? The answer is option number A, household consumption. In the long run, the fixed cost become? The answer is option number D, self-consumption. Who is the highest law officer of the state? The answer is option number D, Advocate General. And Attorney General is the highest law officer of the country. And the current Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal. In India, the residuary powers are vested with? The answer is option number A, Union Government. Who chairs the joint session of the 2 houses of the parliament? The answer is option number C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. And the current Lok Sabha Speaker is Om Birla. Which river of India is called as Brith Ganga? The answer is option number B, Godavari. Which of the following states is the member of Seven Sisters? The answer is option number B, Tripura. The Seven Sister states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. In India's subcontinent, was originally a part of? The answer is option number D, Gondwana land. Which of the following is a semi-autonomous organelle? Here both mitochondria and chloroplast both are semi-autonomous. Thus the answer would be option number D, both B and C. So semi-autonomous organelles are those organelles which can survive on their own. They have their own genetic materials, that is DNA, RNA and proteins. Who among the following was an illiterate? The answer is option number C, Akbar. The first Mughal emperor of India was? The answer is option number C, Babur. Buddha gave his first religion message at? The answer is option number D, Sarnath. The author of the book Animal Farm is? The answer is option number B, George Orwell. Which city received the highest cosmic radiation among the following? The answer is option number D, Delhi. Drinking soda is? The answer is option number B, acidic in nature. Epsom salt is used? The answer is option number A, in purgative. A purgative is a medicine that causes you to get rid of the unwanted waste from your body. White coal is? The answer is option number B, hydroelectricity. Shock absorbers are usually made up of steel, as the answer is option number C, because they have higher elasticity. Elasticity means the ability to regain its original shape after being compressed or stretched. Which of the following is most elasticity? The answer is option number C, steel, as steel is a metal and metals are elastic and non-metals are inelastic in nature, and rubber is a rigid because it cannot be stretched or compressed. Which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? The answer is option number B, SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Which state government has launched free crop insurance scheme for farmers? The answer is option number C, West Bengal, and the current West Bengal CM is Mamata Banerjee and governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.